Welcome to our daily training. Today we're going to give you 4 recipes. In that today we're going to show you how to come up with a puff pastry. And I said that a puff pastry will be made in 2 ways. 2 methods of preparing a puff pastry. First one, we have English method and we have French method, isn't it? So today we're going to do sausage roll. And then we're coming up with our menu. As you can see, we have croissants, meat pie, vegetable pie, and sausage roll. And then we will have, these are our 2 methods of preparing, English method and French method. So we will be doing puff pastry. The ingredients are as follows. So we can continue seeing our menu in that we have our meat pie here, recipe. We also have our vegetable pie recipe, and we have our sausage roll recipe here. Our croissant recipe, we have it here. We have our chroma within around, you can see it. We have our sausages, you can show us our sausages, Stacy. Then we have our carrots within around for vegetable pie. We have our green pepper. We have our dania. We also have our green peas here for vegetable pie. We also have our minced meat for meat pie. And then we have our seasoning ingredients in that we have soy sauce and beef cubes. So we have our all-purpose flour there, ready to go and give you the menu as you've seen above. And now we are done with our mise en place. We want to go, we have our everything done now. Our beef is ready now. We want to do our puff pastry right now, and we have our margarine here. So we have our cold water and we have ice cubes here on our plate, so that we need very cold water to make our puff pastry. As we continue, we'll tell you why we are using very cold water. Those ice cubes, put them in water so that our water be very cold. Now our water is cold because it has some ice cubes, okay? So we're going to start. Pour your flour on a working basin. Mwaga unga wako kwenye basin wote. Fanya hivyo Joy yako yote pia. Nataka uchukue chumvi ambayo ni 20 grams tablespoon. Salt 25 grams, put it. Aya, pia patia Joy hivyo. Thank you very much. Now use the sugar 30 grams. Put sugar 30 grams. Yeah. Then put also Stacy on yours 30 grams. Now you mix with your hand first before we add our cold water. Mix thoroughly. Kabisa, make sure unga wako umechanganyikana na chumvi na sukari kabla tuwekelee maji yetu. Manake tunataka tutengeneze puff pastry, tutakanda unga wetu lakini avoid what we call the kneading, sawa? Tutaukanda tu na maji na mkono wetu na viganja, alafu ikifika wakati wa kneading tutatoa ili tuweke our butter. And now put your water kwa kukanda maji yako, kukanda unga wako. Baridi kabisa, tunaukanda na maji baridi kwa kutumia viganja vyetu vya mkono. This is manual now. We don't have machine, okay?
Yes.
Sasa niko sure unga wetu umekuwa sawa. Waweza ukachukua our chroma butter, weka ndani a half yake. Haya, chukua half, mweke Joy a half. Joy jiweke a half. Tuwe na haraka kidogo, jiweke hiyo yote ni a half. Haya, sasa tuanze pia kunidi unga wetu, chroma ichanganyikane ndani yake kabla tuanze kutengeneza puff now using our French method, okay? Unga wetu uko tayari, tunavyouona sasa hivi. Tunataka tuanze kutengeza puff pastry. Na puff pastry inatengenezwa kwa njia mbili. Tutatumia unga wa Joy kwa kutengeza puff pastry tukitumia English method, na tutatumia unga wa Stacy kwa kutengeneza French method. Na zote mbili at the end of it zitakuwa zimetupatia 960 layers, ambapo tutatengeneza meat pie zetu zinatokea na layers, na bado tutakuwa tuko sure ya kwamba hata kitumia the French method ama English method our products are okay na zote ziko tasty. You pick our butter from the defreezer. Yeah, that is our butter now. We will share it into two. Ndio tuanze kutengeza puff pastry yetu. We want to make our this shape here hapa katikati. Tunataka tutengeze ndio butter yetu ingie katikati. So tutai-divide into 4. Sawa, mnaona kitu ninafanya? Nataka ni stretch hii place iende huko, na ni stretch hii place iende huku, na ni stretch hii place iende huko. Same to you. Unaweza ukakata hapa katikati na ukate hapa katikati, sawa? So hii place utaivuta ikikuja, hii place uivuta ikikuja, hii place until we form a hole hapa katikati. For us ya kuweka butter yetu hapa katikati, we start carving it. The same to you. Just roll ukienda huko this side, roll ukienda huku, ikupe masikio manne. Hii sikio, hili sikio na hili sikio, sawa? Tukikuja kufunga tunafunga mara moja. The same to you, Joy. Do this. Roll it ukipeleka huko, ukiregea huku, uroll ukipeleka huku na huku. And now we have our 4 holes here, isn't it? So nataka tukate. Can you stretch? Sasa mnaweza mkaona ya kwamba our butter imekuwa mawe, si ndio? So we divide it into 2. Sawa, which is 250 grams, 250 grams. Joy, unaweka yako hapa katikati. Ukishaweka yako hapa katikati, I want you to fold this side ikuje hapa, ufold this side ikuje hapa, we fold this side ikuje hapa, and you fold this side ikuje hapa. Stacy, can you do it? I want to see how you doing it. So hii tutaanza kuiroll kwa kuisukuma mpaka wakati tutaproduce. You are using English method. English method you will go 3 times. Sawa? You are using French method. You will fold it 6 times. Sawa? So tutaendelea hivyo. You are single turn na yule ni double turn. Sawa? So double turn tutaanza kuiroll mpaka ifikie level yake. So that's it. So kwa hiyo kwanza kuroll unga ni lazima ugonge hiyo butter yetu ndio ikuwe flat, sawa?
So inasema inside. Record.
So we are here, isn't it? So from here it will be easier for you kwa kwanza kuroll unga wako, sawa? The same for you, Stacy. Here you cannot roll it ikiwa hivyo. Lazima uitandaze mwanzo hivi, butter yetu ingie laini. Ikishaingia mahali laini inakuwa rahisi. Ensure that place yenye unafanyia you dust it kwanza, sawa? This is how I want you to do. When you done that way, you can now start rolling. Can you start rolling? I want to see you rolling it in a triangle shape. Is it triangle ama rectangular? Rectangular shape. Iende hivyo. So that wewe utafanya kitu ambayo tunaita double turning, sawa? We are using double turning method, yeye anatumia single turning method. And yet hatutaki blue band yetu hiyo nini yetu ileak. That's why unaona tunafanya hivi. So ensure that iko line moja, iwe line moja, isipite hata kidogo. And that's why tunatafuta zile layers zetu, sawa? So this is how we're going to do. Stacy, I want you to do it hivyo tu, henda tu mbele. As long as our nini does not leak, isn't it? Roll mpaka ufike mwisho. Na bora sitaki kuona hii, nataka kuona ikienda line moja. Can you let me see your rolling pin? Hivi. I want to see it running this way. Kama utaona ni ngumu, unaweza ukasukuma hii kona ikuje hapa. Kisha uje usukume hii. It will levelize everything, okay? Nenda huku. The reason why tuliweka nini yetu kwa defreezer ni ndio manake uliona is leak na high leaks, ndio? Can you continue? Nataka kuona mkiroll. Joy, look at the other side huko mbele. Huko mbele iko na nini kubwa. I want it level. Can you go? And now yours is okay. Because yako iko sawa, you rub. Unga isipatikana hapa katikati because we are doing double turning. This is how I want you to do. You put it here. Ensure that iko katikati hapo na unaona iko sawa. Put this here. Hapa hivi. And now you come and fold this ikue hapa katikati. Umeona vile tumefanya? Now I also want you to roll. Hii type iende kabisa. Joy, yours is okay, isn't it? I want you to do this. Stacy. Now, unaona zinatoshana. That's why nilikuwa nakwambia itoshane. Hii next, you put it on top of this. Okay? Yours is a singleton method you are using it, sawa? Na wewe Joy yako ni double turn. But now this is how we do them until tumalize round 4 kwako wewe Stacy, sawa? Na Joy you going 6 times. No, you are the one going 4 times. She's the one going 6 times. Singleton tunaenda mara 6. Double turn tunaenda mara 4. Can you go the second time now? Start folding the one with the English method and the one with French method, okay? Thank you. This is our puff pastry and it has a process for it to produce all those things. Kumbuka, when you have a puff pastry, you can produce a lot of pastries. The same to her. You going double turn, okay? Can you do it? We go faster. Yeah, thank you, Stacy. This is a single turn method. And that is a double turn method, the one she's doing. And now using our French method, we already done with the one of our puff pastry. Now chukua puff yako iweka kwa fridge. It relax for 30 minutes, then we continue, okay? Now Stacy, you still have one round of fold and then we complete it, okay? Using our English method now. Yeah, eka kwa freezer. Hapo. Thank you. And now you can see her. She has done with her pastry, puff pastry. You can even see the puff itself. Tukishaeka kwa oven itaanza kupuff. Akitumia single turn method. So as puff yetu ina relax kwa freezer ama cold room, now tutaanza kuseason our vegetables. Tutengeneza, hii ni za kutengeza hiyo vegetable pie. Then kuna sausage roll ambayo tuko nayo, alafu tuko na croissants ambayo tutaitengeza ya kutengeza meat pie. I want to see you people seasoning. I already taught you how to do that. That is meat pie and a season means meat. Then she's doing vegetable seasoning. Yeah, this is seasoning now. She's seasoning mincemeat for meat pie. Joy is doing seasoning of vegetables, our vegetables for vegetable pie. Yeah, that is seasoning now. Also, she's seasoning our vegetables by putting soy sauce for flavor. That's Joy now. And this is Stacy. You can even look the color of our onions, meaning that imekupa flavor, hata aroma peke yake tu. And now our mincemeat now, because our onions are ready. She is also pouring our vegetables. They are all doing it together because they know how to season. You already done it before. Look at our mincemeat. Wow. This is for meat pie. Good job, Stacy. You can now look our vegetable pie now. Look at the vegetables. Look how they look like. Awesome. This is Joy. Good job. That's coriander leaves. Umetuwekea ndani kutupa flavor ya coriander. And our mincemeat is ready now. This is Joy. Look at the vegetable. She has already done. Ametuwekea coriander leaves hapo ndani. And we have made up to come up with our mincemeat and vegetables. So we already done with our two recipes, remaining with the croissants and sausage roll. And now we have our everything here. We have our mincemeat, our vegetables, and we have our mincemeat ready to give you meat pie and vegetable pie. Also sausage roll and croissants, which is coming up. Our dough is just relaxing. Just a moment, 20 minutes, we give you everything. So dough yetu tushaitoa kwenye freezer. Sasa tuko tayari kuanza kutengeza meat pie zetu. Tutengeze sausage roll, tutengeze croissant na tutengeze paka na samosa. Kwa hivyo waweza ukafungua karatasi, uondoe karatasi kutoka juu. And now our dough is ready. Now we want to spread it as she's doing. Ana spread ndio tuanze kutoa meat pie zetu kutoka hapo sasa. Yours is ready now. Just to spread it. Najua imetoka kwa freezer kwa hivyo ni ngumu kidogo. Yeah. Mnaona nini yetu tuliweka katikati, hakuna hata kidogo. Hizi ni ilienda yote mpaka ikaisha. And now we are ready to see the layers now. Isn't it? We are almost. Iko sawa tu, haina shida. As long as usifinye hizo layers na zitatokelezea vizuri. Yeah. And now tumemaliza kuspread duff yetu. Now tukukata two shapes. Now already our trimmings, tulisha trim kando yake. And because we have a puff pastry, niliwaambia ya kwamba puff pastry tunaweza tukatengeza vitu mingi sana kutoka kwa puff, sivyo? Sasa kwa saizi hizo trimmings zetu unaona mmezitengeza Danish. This is our red berry jam Danish, sawa? Mtaona vile zita puff. Na ndio hivyo, hakuna chochote ambacho tutatupa tukitumia hii puff pastry yetu. Kwa hivyo tunaanza kukata shapes za sausage roll, meat pie na vegetable pie na croissant, sawa? Kwa hivyo tusha divide our meat pie here, tusha divide our sausage roll, our croissant here, and then our sausage roll there. We just waiting to egg wash and then we put them in the oven. That's what we call egg washing. What you are doing now is egg washing, okay? We already egg washed our meat pie portions. This is my meat pie. Now I want to see you, Stacy, folding yours. And you, Joy, can we do it? You fold as I've done mine. Just look at mine. I want to see the puff lines. Exactly, Joy. Thank you very much. Let me see yours. Thank you. Yeah, great job. Good students. You see now they are making pattern. Wakati nini yetu imeiva inatokelezea vizuri, just like a chef. Thank you very much. Yeah. This side now. Yeah, you can see my students how they are doing theirs. Actually, that's great job. And then you put it on our. These are now our products. These are croissants. We have our sausage roll here. We have our meat pie and the vegetable pie here. We also did what we called Danish, and we have them here. Hizi zote product tumetoa kutoka kwa puff pastry na zimetokea vizuri. Nashukuru Mungu. Kwa hivyo fuatilia recipe ili uone mazuri matamu. Sausage roll, meat pie, and this is a vegetable pie. You can see even the puff itself, our croissants, and then we have our croissants here. That is tasty. Good work. Very nice.